are you? Remember this video we watched some time ago? I'm going to mute the sound. I'm not repeating myself. I know that we have already watched it, but I want to use it as an example for the activity that I am going to ask you to do today. Today I'm going to ask you to go to the slide I will share and to tell me which square is the one in which you spend more time in. Typically, yes? Would you say that you spend more time in the red square or in the yellow one? Or maybe you spend more time in the blue square and not in the green one. Remember that here we are taking into account two things. First of all, the energy. These two squares talk about a higher level of energy, and these two talk about a lower level of energy. But again, things can be pleasant, nice, these two squares, or not so nice and pleasant. That would be these two. So, first activity, that's why I was showing you the boy and the girl who clearly spend more time in their lives in kind of opposite squares, right? So, first activity I'm going to ask you is to place yourselves in the square you spend more time in. In my case, I feel I spend most of my days, not all of them, and not all the day, in the yellow square, right? Yellow closer to green, let's say, but it can be any. Remember that there are no good or bad feelings. Remember there are no positive or negative feelings. All feelings are valid, all feelings are okay. The important thing is to learn more about them and to call things by their names, all right? That's why in the second activity, I'm going to ask you to choose one emotion from the squares. You can choose any square at all, the green one, the yellow one, the red one, or the blue one, and choose one word that you do not know the meaning of. One word that is completely new to you. For example, let's say you don't know what apprehensive means. So you're going to write down here below the word apprehensive, and I'm going to look it up in the dictionary, all right? Apprehensive. Let's see what Google tells me about apprehensive. Apprehensive, this is the way you pronounce it, means anxious or fearful that something bad or unpleasant will happen. Again, anxious or fearful that something bad or unpleasant will happen. Okay, so I understand. Yes, we are all feeling a bit apprehensive right now because we are all a little bit anxious or fearful that someone we know might have coronavirus, for example, or someone we know might not be feeling so well. So I'm going to type that definition here, all right? And all together, we are going to build a dictionary for these emotions so that little by little, when I ask you, how are you feeling today? You not just only respond, I'm happy, I'm sad, I'm calm, or I'm angry. You will slowly but steadily be able to tell me that you feel enthusiastic and to know what that really means. Because it's not the same to feel energetic than enthusiastic or optimistic and enthusiastic. So, two activities for today, right? First of all, you place yourselves in the square you spend more time in, right? Remember, no good or bad squares at all. Second activity, you choose one word, one emotion from the mood meter, and you write the definition right here below. Okay? You will get a copy for each, right? If you don't get it, you let me know. Bye, kiddies. See you soon.